Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So if you missed us on our Thursday live with Ebony on her channel, you guys, I'll try to leave the link in the description box. But if you're not already following Ebony here on YouTube, she is the crafty girl here. We went live and we were working on some Easter projects. So Ebbs was working on Memdex cards and I was working on a box to put my Memdex cards in. So let me show you my die first. So this is the Kscraft bear die set. Don't mind these. These are a mess. I was going to make my Memdex also, but I didn't. Anyway, if you're familiar with Kscraft's dies, this is the teddy bear box, gift box set, right? I took the bear part, cut out my backing and my decorative paper with this piece. And I also used my bunny box set. This is from the January. This one is November. This is January. I took the bunny head and I cut that out and put it on top of the bear head. So with the bunny head, the ears were sticking out on the side. So I went ahead and just cut off the ears right around here. And then I glued on the head for the bunny. I also did have to cut out the feet because if you're using the box, you're going to need to stabilize the box. And it needs the feet so it doesn't keep falling over. So I did that. These are all the pieces for the bear. So this is what my box looks like. It's kind of hard to show. So I tilted the bunny's head because I didn't want it straight. I don't know. I'm being so stiff and all that. I just, whatever. I also layered some scrap foam pieces, some 5 ml foam, craft foam, just some scraps. Put that on there and layered the head on top. So that way it's kind of dimensional, right? So here's where I cut the ears from the bear. I cut his ears off. I did have to make my box piece. I tried using the die that came with it, this part, but it's not wide enough for me to fit my Memorydex cards, which is what I was trying to do, was just put some Memorydex cards in here. It's just not wide enough. So you see the corners right here, it overlaps. So that just tells you right there, it doesn't fit. And so I had to come up with my own measurements and everything. So I can't give you any measurements right now because I made it on the live. You just, I don't know, get a piece of, paper or cardstock and go ahead and cut. Just create your pattern from this, basically is what I'm saying. Make this measurement wider, make this measurement a little wider so your box will be deeper. That's all I did. So this is what my bunny box looks like. Isn't she cute? I didn't get to decorate it. I was running out of time. So I could do that on another live with Ebony. But there's the little feet. And also to keep the box balanced because the head is a little heavier, I added some beads to the bottom behind the feet right here, the front of the feet, just to give it some weight. So even if you didn't do anything else, those beads would help keep the box standing. But because I'm always going to be decorating and all this, so I'm going to decorate this trim. This is Ebony's trim. And like I said, her shop, The Rosette Guru, is on Instagram. I'll leave the links there. But the bunnies here, you can see a little bunny trim. The bunnies are on the tool. It's so cute. I think it just looks so cute. It looks like a stuffed bunny, So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put some Memdex cards in there, make some Memdex cards and add it to my box. I'll decorate the front and then I'll also add maybe my little sticker on here and a bunny tail. Maybe. But that's what he looks like, or she. I use some foam for the whiskers so I don't have to worry about that falling apart. And then I put some foam for her nose and her eyelashes and the little cheeks. So yeah, I hope you guys give it a try. It's really easy. You don't have to tilt the head. I just did because I wanted to. Gives it a little bit of attitude. But anyway, that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this, and or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.